Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X7d, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like this, and then locate the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is right over here. So anyway, once you find this toggle, you can hold it the first time around. Now, if you don't see it at all here, it might mean that you need to add it yourself. So we can click right here on this box, and this will show you a bunch of toggles that are available to you to add, and you just grab them by holding them, and then, as you can see, just drop it. Anyway, once you see the mode, once you added it, or if it's already added, you can hold it here, and this will take you to the settings. I recommend navigating here at least once, just so you can check how the mode is set by default. And obviously, if something doesn't fit your needs, you can change it. Now, going over some of the options, we have the schedule right here. Now, there is always one pre-made called sleeping, or and here is just, I guess schedule. Looks like it's running from 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. And this one is set for Saturday and Sunday. Now, I believe by default, they should be all week long. You can also add additional ones and change the days of the week, start and end time. And if you create one, it will automatically become enabled. So meaning whatever settings you have chosen for it, that's when it's going to automatically turn itself on. So I'm going to turn that off for now. Moving further down, we have interruptions, and we can select ringtones, so favorite only. This basically refers who can call you. And you have everyone, contacts only, favorites, or no one. And then we have repeated callers. This is a neat option. If someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, no matter what the option right here is, they will basically bypass this, and the call will reach you the second time around, as long as it's in that 15-minute period. And then messages is the same thing as calls. Everyone, contacts, favorites, no one. So anyway, let's close this up. Find the toggle, and you can now simply tap on it to enable it. It brings up this window the first time around. You can check the box to not show this again, and we can select enable. And you can see it is now running. We have this moon icon right here in the status bar. And once you're done with it, you can find this toggle once more, tap on it once again to turn it off. And you will want to remember about it, as hotspot will run indefinitely. Oh, sorry, not hotspot, do not disturb mode will run indefinitely till you turn it off yourself. So if you kind of forget about it, well, it's going to be affecting you permanently. One thing that I can give you as a tip to circumvent this is to select a schedule that will run, for instance, every single day for about like a minute, sometimes at night, where you don't really care. And meaning that when you leave your Do Not Disturb mode enabled, hotspot roll, or Jesus, why am I so stuck on hotspot? Do Not Disturb mode as a schedule will roll in. Try to enable it, but it's already enabled, and then when the time passes, that single minute, it's going to actually turn it off. So that would kind of give you this peace of mind that the Do Not Disturb mode won't be running permanently in your background. But other than that, you will need to manually turn it on and off. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.